heading now to San Lorenzo Puerte. It's a castle, yeah, ruined castle yata yun. So yeah. So we're out of here in duty free.
I thought you
Ciao,
said.
amigo.
Why are you like hala?
So
Like,
today we're going to after the Colon after
We're
meeting with Jason, we're still in Colon. We are meeting. We're going to go San Fernando.
San Lorenzo.
Ay, San Lorenzo.
Castillo
de San Lorenzo. It's
like a ruins there.
yeah, it's like ruins, but this is really a nice place. Oh, it's a nice road.
It was there since 1500s. Oh, look at the dough foggy around that area. Foggy that area as well. It's the sea. It's the ocean.
We were in the highway. Amazing.
Now we're in the midst of the forest.
We're in the forests. What I like about Panama is their forest is really virgin.
Never touched.
Never touched. The thing is, well, except in the forest where mining is ongoing. But here, you see it's like, it's really a forest.
Oh, there's a deer sign now.
Oh,
like
yeah,
crossing.
there's a deer sign. Be careful, there might be a deer that will cross. Yeah, that's why their kilometer, you're only allowed to run 40 kilometer per hour because there might be some animals that are crossing.
I remember what Sister Bishop said. She said that, remember?
Ligo nga oh.
Ala, ang ganda ng dagat.
Oh, ang sarap maligo oh.
Dapat dinala natin yung swimming stuff natin.
Ang ganda ng dagat.
Ang ganda naman maligo dito.
Sayang. This is our only time.
Magpanti at bra ka lang.
Huh?
Ang ganda
Ganda
na.
oh.
May palang naliligo dito.
Yan oh.
Ayan.
Kalmado lang yung dagat.
Hala.
Dapat
Balik
bumili
sa
tayo.
Feb. Hindi, sa Feb na lang. We did not plan this eh. Sabihin mo, Miguel, San, ano yan?
San Lorenzo. Pero
Ito, San Lorenzo. Ito.
dito tayo eh.
Oh, hindi tayo maliligo eh.
Good night.
Pero ang ganda.
Ang
no?
laki oh.
Hala.
Kita mo yan?
Uy.
Ang laki niya.
Nakuha ko siguro yun. Hindi kasi naka-dark kasi. Actually blue.
Majestic forest. Oop.
Hoy! Puti ka ni siya.
Ngit-ngit, di nakita.
Ngit-ngit. Na-yellow gani yung hump. Kaya nga 40 lang eh.
There's ano na naman.
Parang nasa horror movie man tayo guys.
Sa wrong turn.
Hala, nasa Central America tayo. Mayroon ba ditong ano? Ang tawag ko, cannibal?
May cannibals dito guys.
Hala!
We're gonna die.
Yes. At least we're together.
We die together.
We
No
go
one,
together, we die together.
no one is left alone.
Left behind. Left alone. Taxi dito.
Diyan, Chagdanes. Dito yan.
Welcome to San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo.
We're not lost.
It's scary. It's scary. Grabe, ang liit talaga ng
Yan ang bienvenidos sa San Lorenzo. Welcome to San Lorenzo. Dito na tayo ngayon. Isang ruins dito, San Lorenzo. So according to my research, it has been here for 1500s though. So it's been a while. Mio, ganda ng view doon, no? Si. Pwede video aquí, sí.
Sí.
Okay, gracias. Ano?
20
20?
dólares.
Bakit magkano ba lang?
3 lang.
Ah, okay. Sí.
The IDs.
ID? Pakulin mo dyan. Ganda dito guys. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo yan, it's an Antigo Canyon. Ito yung mga rock. Dating parang palasyo yata yan, something, yeah. As you can see, Imagine 1500s, no? Ang tagal na. Wow. Doon pa. Ang ganda. Nice, nice.
Pwede bago tarjeta. Only solo 50. Photos.
For
Parang sa India to.
Buenos días, señor.
Filipinas.
Sí, Filipina. Ah,
Sabi.
okay.
Ah.
Okay, gracias, señor.
Okay, okay.
Alam niyo na sa
San Lorenzo. Castillo Real del Chagres. Ayun, Chagres.
Parang sa India to, ganito sa India.
Talaga?
Yeah, we have to. Ba't pala sinama natin sila dito?
Kaya nga, kasi nagtatanong nga sila yung kung ano daw mga tourist spots dito eh. Yung
They have the umbrella, Mom. Guys, I don't see nothing.
Restauración del Castillo de San Lorenzo Real del Chagres.
Wait, wanna go inside the temple? It's
Yeah.
not a temple.
Na, picture mo na dito oh. Kay ano to?
Landmark.
Just here and that's it.
Nice.
As and dad. Ate, lagay mo yan.
Helio.
Hello, hello. Oh, anong masasabi nyo guys? Maganda ba?
Yeah, maganda. Thank you, Nadja.
Thank you, Nadja. Thank you, Miga Nadja, for introducing Panama and recommending some areas. Tourist areas here in Panama. Muchas gracias, muchísimos.
We went into Colon before, but we
Here,
never
oh.
went here.
This is so
Wow.
cool.
We can check muna there.
Zach,
Over muna.
steps.
And later we'll get in Castillo. That's
You see
Castillo.
the
Castle.
lane?
Wow. Nice, nice. Maganda guys. So, parang nasa ibang bansa kami.
Parang turista kami.
Nasa ibang bansa naman talaga tayo. Nasa Panama naman tayo. Okay. Wow. Ganda oh.
Castle.
Yeah, it is.
Castillo.
Castillo de Chagres.
Del Chagres.
Del Chagres.
Wala, may beach doon.
Kaya nga. Pwede maligo dun.
May mga car, oh.
Oo. Wow, nice. So nice. Look at that. Ayun, may option yata ang kumanan kanina doon. Yun. Look at the beach guys. Oh, ganda. Amazing. Yeah. Tapos yan naman yung Chagres del Castillo del Chagres. Yan. Ang ganda. Dapat dinala pala natin yung DSLR, no? Wow. So nice in here, guys. So we paid only $2 each.
Ano to? San Lorenzo?
San Lorenzo. Puerte San Lorenzo.
Okay guys, picture.
Wow, nice. Very good. Ganda.
Guys, okay.
Mahulog ka dyan sa kare.
It's
pag ganun ba?
iron. Bang. Iron kinukulit siya.
Oh. Picture daw sila. Dito muna tayo sa Landong guys. So ito yung itsura ng Panama. And this is from end to end, no? Ayan. So Boca del Toro. Boca del Chagres. So dito kami ngayon. Sa Mount Boca. It's the mouth. Portobelo doon naman. No? Portobelo.
Daddy,
Wow, nice. So nice.
the most important river in Panama. Look at that wave. Because it
Oh, look
connects
at
to
the
Caribbean
ocean.
Sea. Maganda ba yung
My
May
goodness.
talo
This
ako.
is good.
Look.
Gandang bumalik
Hey!
dito.
The wind is gonna blow this thing away!
This is
It's gonna
nice,
turn it
nice.
upside down.
Let's go. Go up tayo sa castle. So, grabe, ang ganda dito guys. Mainit siya. Of course, mainit kasi summer day. Diba? Mainit pero maganda yung breeze, no? Yung hangin niya, yung nagbo-blow ng hangin,
We really
presko.
recommend this place, but not in the summer because it's too hot.
Yeah, it's so cold. I mean, it's so nice.
It's so cold.
So good, should I say. It's Castillo del Chagres. So it's been here for 1500s. Wow, okay.
It's not scary.
Let's go.
Unless it breaks and falls.
Oh, there's a... Oh, ito.
Bombs!
Anong bombs? Canyon yan.
Cannon.
Picture ko kayo sa
Wow.
Ate, there's a sister.
The old cannons. Let's go, let's go. Oh,
Picture ko kayo. Upo
kasi parang ano siya, parang Portobello din siya. Nagpo-protect sa ano.
O, dyan kayo.
So nice.
This is that
So ito yung mga old cannons nila. Old cannons. Ayun.
Sige, upo. Ate,
Dami. Wow. Panlaban nila sa pirata. 1500s parati itong inaano ng mga pirata yung lugar na ito. So kaya yun, maraming canyon dito. Okay amigos, we're done here sa labas. So we're going inside the castle. Over there.
This
This
is where
is where all the...
hide from the war.
Yeah. These walls are the protection, no, against the pirates
Go down here, oh.
during 1500.
That's why I went.
Ate, a picture you there, Zach. Hanate. There. Italikod mo yung...
Sarap, ganda.
Okay. 1,
May daanan din pala dito.
3.
Nice.
Awesome.
Castle talaga siya. Amazing. So ito ginawa na lang yung bago. Siyempre over time nag-deteriorate yung castle, diba? Kasi it's been here for 1500 years. So wow, this is nice. Wow. Did you see the wide ocean? Huh? And this is the ruins.
Or that is the place where you can throw the, you know, the
Bombs.
the bombs. Remember those? Those are the...
Nice.
They're just
Okay, ruins. Nice.
Wait, that looks like the house that was destroyed from chicken farm. I mean chicken.
We can go down later so that we can just walk down there. Or
Yeah.
we can check also the other ano,
Picture kita solo.
solo.
Hey mom, come.
Rapid
Okay,
go.
picture solo daw. Wall. Protection wall from the pirates. Galing, no? Yeah.
This is the CR?
Oh, lalim. So may dagat dun na ano, pwedeng maliguan.
Kaya pala ko ng...
Don't go there, you fall.
Wow. Let's go. Ganda naman ang view dito. Bubusog ang iyong mata at iyong kaluluwa. It's so nice. Alam nyo kasi I'm really fond of history and everything, you know, the story behind it, every places. So yan. The ruins. Ayan, mga puertas. The doors of castle. Nice.
Stop.
Anong bombs? That's canyon.
Canyon.
Get the canyon.
Canyon? No, it's cannon.
Yeah, it's Canon.
Canyon is a can. It's a place.
Zach, come here, Zach.
Cannon.
I don't want to do
Let's go. Buen dia.
Buen dia.
I got a picture. This is the... I-video mo yan, oh. Ito yung mga...
Ito yung sinasakop ng mga pirata dati, 1500s. So,
1500s?
yeah.
That's decades ago. No, centuries.
Centuries and centuries. Wow, ganda. Yeah, ito may lagusan pa doon. Galing, no? Yan, dagat.
Iitim ka, oh.
Awesome. Okay, baba. Videohin ko kayo habang bumababa. Bilis. Oh, pagulong-gulong na, Sak. Sak, hold the bars. Hold the iron rod.
Hold the iron.
Oh my goodness, it's so hot. But it's so good. It's so hot, but it's so good at the same time. The place is actually so nice. Look at it, look at it. What is this here? This La Playa. Playa. Everywhere is playa. So nice. So I'll change to the other part of let's rest for a while. So hot, man. So hot, but it's so nice at the same time. What can you say the place?
What can you say? What can I say?
What can I say? What can you do? Nice. Ganda. Wow. Amazing. I really enjoyed the place, no? Ang ganda talaga niya. Imagine how antigo it is from the time 1500s until now. Yan yung pinaka-original na castle na yan. So preserve na lang nila yan because many times na bomb daw yan ng mga pirates. According to my research, yes, 1500s. So that's why, as you can see, there's a lot of cannons in every area kasi this serves as the, how do you say that, protection from the how do you say, the parang siya, like China, wall of China, diba? Meron silang wall na ganon. This is also serves as a protection from entering yung mga pirates kasi as you can see, oh, ang luwang ng karagatan, so everyone is so free to come over, diba? So pirates are, that's what they do before during the olden times. Kaya yun, galing. So this is also like pareha sa Portobello, ganon siya. Okay, lapit at dito yung ruins, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Ito yung loob ng ruins.
Ito yung totoong ano.
That was much
castle.
slower.
Ito yung totoong castle, oh. Tingnan mo. Galing.
Picture of it.
Okay, inside the ruins. Inside the ruins, yes. Oh. So, saan na naman yung punta natin, ma'am? Sa mga puertas? Puertas de Castillos? Ha? Ayusin mo, ma'am. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Libang ka? Let's go. So, my GoPro did not die. did not die, but it's almost, you know, the battery is almost draining. So yeah. Other ones. Good thing preserve nila, ginawa nilang tourism, kasi kung hindi kita-itayhan lang ng mga tao, no? That's for sure. That's definitely gonna happen. Yeah, oh, inside. Oh.
Wait, in here.
Wala. Empty in here. It's just like a room, but it's empty. Awesome. Going out, going some other huertas again. Okay. So hot. Come on. Wow. So nice.
Smells like coffee. Smells like coffee.
Can you see that? Okay, you cannot read like that, but like this. Read it like this. So we can read it. Castillo de San Lorenzo el Real de Chagres.
That's our signature.
Zach.
Tapos sa kabila.
Ay, ba yan?
Hilain mo yung akin. Ay.
And
Okay, akin dyan hilain mo. Okay na.
okay.
1, 2.
Video, picture.
Video.
Yeah.
Video.
Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so much. We're gonna train you. Wait, look from here. Castillo de San Lorenzo.
Ganito pala pagbasa. Castillo de San Lorenzo el Real de Chagres.
Bienvenido al Castillo de San Lorenzo.
Lo cual significa que por lo que veo
We're going up, so hot. Goodness. Up. We're going to the car again. Pwedeng mag-rest dyan, may mga table. Yung tayo sa living. Sa shades ng mga trees. And then it's actually 12, almost 1, 12:48. Kaya tutok na tutok yung araw. Tapoy, ma'am. Tapoy mag-turista na. Tapoy po rin trabaho sa mga turista. Naglakaw sa initan. GoPro mag-slide daw sila doon hanggang dagat to. Sige, pa-slide din mo no, hanggang dagat. Wala tayong bolo, wala tayong machete. You don't have machete for that. Ito, branch lang pala yan. Branch lang siya. Oh, pakari. Sit down here. Take a picture here.